Listen, I feel like I slayed this closure wig. Yes, a closure wig. You want to see how I do it? Check out this video. Hey my beautiful baes, so unfortunately I did delete the footage of me trying on the wig and showing you the specs of the wig, but luckily I got some footage on my camera, on my phone camera. So this is the wig from Sdamey Hair. It's a 5x5 loose deep 18-inch closure wig. The hair came plucked, but the knots were not bleached, so I had to do that myself. Along with the wig, I received headband, lashes, clips, hair brushes, wig caps, and adjustable wig straps. So I have so many loose deep wigs and I wanted to do something different, so I actually bleached the perimeter of this wig, as you can see, and then I dyed it a little bit of an orange color. I originally was gonna do pink, but I didn't bleach it light enough because I didn't want to damage the hair, so I ended up doing this color, and I still think it looks pretty cute. I might switch it up, who knows. Let me know what you think. So I'm trying on the wig. The wig fit my head really well. By the way, I have no complaints about the fit. It fit really good. I forgot how good lace closure wigs are, because you know, you have a frontal wig and you have to like really make sure it fits well and everything like that. But I was putting on this wig, I'm like, damn, this fit really well, like to the point like I really didn't need to glue it down, but I'm gonna glue it down. So right now I am parting my hair because I want a side part, and there wasn't a lot of parting space with this wig. Even though it says 5x5, I do have a 5x5 wig, and I felt like it was more like a 4x4 wig in my opinion, because it didn't go as deep as another wig that I got. But right now I'm just using my wax stick to flatten out this part, and I'm going in with my hot comb so I can get a really nice defined part. Okay, now it's for some baby hairs, and I'm just separating my baby hairs from the rest of my wig. Obviously I don't want too much baby hairs, but just enough to cover up the lace and the edges of the lace where it ends, because I hate that abrupt edge. It really irritates me. And I'm just gonna go in with a razor, and I'm gonna just cut some baby hairs. I suggest using a razor. It has a better, it cuts the hair better than scissors. Scissors give that really choppy straight line, which is really gross. So sometimes I do this method where I wear the wig on my head already, and I spray the lace with Got2b glue, and then I actually wrap it around. Because this wig fits me really well, all I want to do is just melt the lace into my skin. So I just keep the wig on, spray the hair with Got2b glue, and then I just wrap it and tie it for a couple of minutes. And now I'm just going back in with my hot comb just to flatten out any kinks in the hair, because I want to lay flat. And then I'm going to curl my hair. Okay, y'all, this is my first time ever curling a wig with a straightener. So it was very hard and stressful, and I tried my best. I think I did pretty good for my first time. I literally had to watch a tutorial on how to do it. And that's why my curls may not be the greatest, but your girl tried. I'm trying out here in 2021, okay? I'm trying to really step up my hair game, because my hairdresser is now moving across the pond, and I'm like, girl, like, what I'm gonna do? So now I really got to step up. But I think I did a pretty good job, you know? Now I'm just brushing out my hair right now so I can add some volume to it. One thing about this hair, while I was curling it, there was a really unpleasant smell as I was curling the hair. I didn't really like it, even though I did wash this hair because I obviously bleached it and stuff like that. So I think I'm gonna have to wash it again, but the smell did disappear after I finished flat ironing it, but there was a bit of a smell that wasn't very pleasant. So right now I'm just taking off my little scarf wrap thing that I made, and I'm gonna start styling my baby hairs, you know, giving it that swoop. So the main thing is you really want to focus the swoop on where the lace ends, so people don't see that the lace ends, and you want to give the illusion that it is like lace frontal, that it continues around the perimeter of your head. And right now I'm just trying to get the right shape that I want for my swoops. And now I'm just taking some hairspray and I'm just kind of like molding that little swoop on top of my head. I don't know how to explain that, the little hair flip. And I'm just trying to, like, you know, just swoop everything down and make everything nice and flat and everything. Now this is the finished look. I think it looks really good. I think for my first time really finessing a closure wig, it's been like a hot minute, I think I did a really good job. So my thoughts about this wig, besides the unpleasant smell while I was straightening the hair or curling the hair, the wig is not that bad. I don't really think it's a 5x5 wig, because I do have a 5x5 wig. I feel like it's more like a 4x4 wig. Like I said, the hair bleached nicely. I would try to bleach it lighter, but like I said, I'm getting used to bleaching hair and I don't want to ruin it. But yeah, I'm not complaining about this wig. I also like the fit of the wig. The wig fit me really well. I didn't have to use any adjustable straps or anything. It fit perfectly. And by the way, I am wearing Shop FOCs. This is their collection that they did with Chana. I absolutely love it. And I got matching nails from Rhonda's Place, you know, my girl. So make sure you check them out. And thank you for watching my video. I'll be coming out with more videos. Your girl has been consistent. Alright, thank you babes for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my social media platforms. Bye.